Who should be my trustee? Hi, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. When it comes to doing an estate plan, we have the choice of whether we're going to do a will-based plan or a trust-based plan. And I've spoken on many occasions about my preference for will-based plans for most regular folks, but there are some for which a trust is the appropriate vehicle. And then the first question that comes up is, who should be my trustee? Well, really, it's the successor trustee because you will be your own trustee to start with. But the question is who will be my trustee? Well, it should be either an adult or it can be an institution. Banks and trust companies can serve in a corporate fiduciary manner and be the trustee. They do have some limitations on the size of the trust that they are willing to act as a trustee for. So that's usually for larger trusts, but you'd be surprised how many trust companies will be supportive of being a trustee for smaller trusts. So if that's something you want to consider, you should look into it. The trustee should be, and this is kind of a conflict here, should probably be younger than you, or in some cases, should be older than you. So if you're an older individual, you'd want a younger person acting as your trustee. If you're a younger individual, you can afford to have the luxury of having somebody older be your trustee. But in any case, your trustee should be somebody that, one, you trust, and two, is good with details, because there's a fair amount of work that needs to be done. It should go without saying that they should have a clean criminal record. They shouldn't be somebody who has been convicted of a felony or had to file for bankruptcy. So you want somebody who can have an understanding of the financial requirements of having to be a trustee. And last but not least, they should be someone who has an attention for detail, because as I said, there is a fair amount of work with being a trustee, and paying attention to the details of doing so will ensure that things go smoothly over the years that they serve as trustee. If you want to talk more about trusts and who you might choose to be your trustee, our information is at the end of this video, and we'd love to have an opportunity to chat with you. Again, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me.